Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing the Colourpop Good as Gold palette. I am super excited. This is what the palette looks like here. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It reminds me of that other palette they had. Oh, I don't remember the name of it, but without the glitters. I did get this as a birthday present. I'm super excited. My best friend got me this. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love these tones. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the pressed glitters and all that. I know a lot of people are not, and that is your thing. That's fine. However, I'm a huge fan of their glitters. I personally love glitter. I don't mind it kind of made a mess of mine. You could tell more because this is like a shiny packaging, but super pigmented. You do not need a lot of pressure when it comes to these. Very pigmented. I absolutely love the color story in this. It's like neutral yet more bold because of the tones of the gold and because they're glittery, which I really love. I actually have been using this with a recent palette I just got this week and having some more fun with that, but I'll touch base on that in that video when I take in, actually I'll show you real quick, why not? I'm going to do a whole different review video on this with the Bare Necessities palette. Really fun to play off with one of these with each other and add a little bit of extra pizzazz from this palette, but absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. Colourpop just doesn't do wrong for me. I love their palettes. I always have great looks when I use Colourpop. They're easy to blend. They're affordable. I highly recommend Colourpop. I always do. I got actually a lot of the videos that are coming out are a crap ton of Colourpop. Sorry, you guys know I love me some Colourpop. But I absolutely love this palette. Highly recommend. I think it can suit a variety of skin tones. It's just stunning. It's beautiful. It can really make a neutral look really pop. So overall, 2 thumbs up. And let me know down below what you guys think of this palette if you have it. And please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.